Hello everyone. So for today I thought we could make some of these. They're belly bands with a fold out is what they're called. Fold out belly band. Now here is my sample. Here I had a little bit of jazz up of it. It ain't as decorated as some could be, but I wanted to keep it rather neutral for whatever journal we use it on. So this is how I go about making it, or making them. You may not go for the same thing as me. That's okay. You don't have to. So I fold one in half, split it in half, and then I take it and fold it in half again. I don't like that glue on here, so I'm just going to trim that off quick. Because we obviously do not want glue on our piece. So this one I'm going to make in the opposite direction. So what I choose to do, just to make life a little easier here, is I'm going to glue this piece down. Around where that bend is, and it is a little farther out, which is okay. We can fix that up how we want to, not a problem. Then I'm going to glue this part down, but I'm out of glue in this piece, so we'll get another one out, not a problem. And fold that in. So there is our majority of our look here. Now I personally like to choose what's going in the inside first, but I kind of like this one because then someone can write on it like that. So I'm just trying to think of what would look good on here. Is this a perfect size or what? I'm gonna just use it. It's a scrap piece. I am using majority of this is going to be my scraps. I like using up my scraps. So, here we go. Right there. And I just need something to cover this spot. So, I'm going to grab my handy dandy ruler here. And just rip this part off. I'm okay with it to the side. That ain't gonna affect it much, so being cool with it. Now I need something on the cover here, and I was thinking this piece would be kind of nice on here. Again, I'm trying to keep it a little bit neutral looking. And we'll glue this down. So lots of writing space in this part and everything. And I like to do it that way. This way, future journals are safe and ready to go. I should check what size it is at. It's at 9, but I'm thinking this is going to actually go into our magazine journal, so I'm okay with that. It's a little bit taller than norm. So there we go. And again, it just brings out lots of writing space here and easy to make. So there we go. We got that one done. Now this, again, I'm just going to keep on going. I am going to trim this because this is driving me nuts. It has glue all over it. And again, I'm just folding it in half a couple times here. This half done. And it's very simple. You could even, if you really wanted to, this actually does seem a little bit fun to do, but first I want to make sure it's at the right height. We want it about 8 1/4 is what I've been trying to keep it at. So it's a little bit smaller than what it was, but not too much smaller. That one, I'm going to fold this one in half. And we're going to shorten this one up a little bit too. Alright, so this one's going to have 2 flips on it, which is going to seem odd, but you'll get it in a minute. Or at least I hope so. There's one. All right, and then we're gonna get this other one in. There's 2. And then we glue this last piece onto these. So let's get working on adding some writing space here. Some hidden writing space is what I should call it. Okay. This would work as well. Again, I'm making that goal of hidden writing spaces within the page, so future journals, it will look awesome. Now I'm wondering if this would, we're just going to add that in. Yes, I'm trying to use my scraps pieces and stuff like that up here and there when I can. Because I have lots of just weird scrap pieces, so if we can use some of them in making this, why not? I might be doing scraps for a while though. A lot of tutorials with my scraps because my scraps have been becoming a little bit overwhelming, and I've noticed this since I started that, yeah, again, it's been a bit overwhelming. I've been needing to use them up. So that's what I've been doing lately, is trying to use up scraps. Yeah, don't really like them words poking out, so I'm trying to clean that up a little here and there. Where does it? I probably could have used washi tape here, but why not use one of our tiny scraps here. So there we go. This is majority writing space, but this part is obviously not. Wonderful idea to, again, decorate. So I'm gonna set this aside for decorating. I think we have enough to make 2 more, so that's what I'm gonna do. One. And again, I think these are perfect size for belly bands. And all that jazz, so why not use it? There we go. I know I'm making them forward facing, but in all reality, it don't really matter. What matters is what you want it to look like. You don't have to use scraps either. You can use, like, if you're doing a particular series with it, use what you want to use. So this one's going to come down below. This one I think I'm going to, or above. This one I'll do below. So these are future ones. Or if I decide to make more, I might just make more with these scraps, but I'm not going to do it on video. But again, we did 2 together. 2 together. I did 1 by my lonesome, and I showed you the template. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day or night. Bye.